Poems by Harindranath Chattopadhyay. From the Feast of Youth, my unlaunched boat. The hour hath come to launch my boat, my sailless boat at sea. I sit upon the shore alone, and daylight dies in silence on the bosom of the darkening skies. And with him every note is crushed to silent sorrow in the songbird's throat. Ah me! And I have not launched out my boat to sea. The spring hath come and gone with all her colored hours. The earth beneath her tread laughed suddenly, a peal of blue and green and red, and for her tender beauty wore a flowery bed. She gathered all her touch-born blossoms from bright bowers, and in her basket rained quick, dazzling showers, and fled with all the laughter of earth's flowers. Ah me! And I have not launched my boat to sea. The restless waves are dancing in the sea, mad with a drunken grief. From every tree quivers and drops each red and purple leaf. That was its spirit's joy and hidden heart's relief. In every breeze and corner of the sky, whose lip was dumb and mute, showers suddenly a scattered melody. Behind the clouds some hidden flutist plays his flute. Ah me! And I have not my boat launched out to sea. 12th September 1916.